Have you ever clicked compile, waited a moment, and instead of success, you got a red error message? In this tutorial, you will learn what to do when you get one of the most common compile errors. This particular error usually doesn't mean you did anything wrong. Most of the time, it just means one thing. The platform you're compiling for isn't up to date. So let's see how to fix that. Let's start by going up to the Platforms tab. This is where Visuino manages every board family you can compile for: Arduino, ESP32, ESP8266, and all the others. The first thing we want to do is click Refresh Index. Make sure you're connected to the internet before you do this. Visuino needs to go online to check what new versions are available. Give it a few seconds to update the list. Now that the index is refreshed, let's find our board. Since in this example we have an error for the ESP32 board, let's type ESP32. And here it is. We can see that the installed version is outdated, and right next to it, Visuino is showing a newer version that's now available. An outdated platform version like this is often what's behind this type of error. So all we have to do is click to install the latest version. Visuino will download and set it up. This can take a minute or two depending on your connection, so just let it finish. And that's it. The platform is now up to date. Now let's go back and click compile one more time, and this time it compiles perfectly, no errors. The same kind of problem can happen with libraries. Here we have a simple example: an infrared remote receiver component with its sensor pin connected to an Arduino digital pin. Let's click compile and see what happens. As we can see, we get an error. This time the cause is a library. It's outdated. The fix is just as straightforward. Let's go to the Libraries tab. Just like with platforms, the first thing we do is click Refresh Index to make sure we're seeing the latest available versions. Now, let's type remote or IR remote to find the library we need. Here we can see the installed version is older than what's available. We click on it and install the latest version, same as we did with the platform. If the library is not installed, Visuino will install it automatically. Let's compile again, and this time it works perfectly. As a quick tip, if you ever need to check or change where your libraries are installed, just click on Arduino in the menu, then Configure. In this dialog, you can see the Arduino library directory, and you can change it here if needed. You can also set the path to your Arduino IDE, configure where your generated sketches are saved, and set your default startup board. There is also a useful option to automatically update Arduino CLI on start, which helps keep things in sync. And at the bottom, you can see the list of enabled board definition URLs. These are the sources Visuino uses to find platforms and keep them up to date. So remember, if you ever run into this type of error, don't panic, just head to the Platforms or Libraries tab. Refresh the index, and check whether a newer version is available or whether something needs to be installed. That one habit keeps your Visuino healthy and saves you a lot of headaches down the road. By the way, notice the little star icon on the tab title. That star is Visuino's way of telling you that something is out of date. If you see it on the Platforms tab, it means one or more of your platforms have a newer version available. If you see it on the Libraries tab, the same applies to your libraries. And if you hover over the tab, a hint will appear telling you exactly how many platforms or libraries are available to update. So if you ever spot that little star, you know it's time to head in and refresh. It's a handy way to keep an eye on the health of your Visuino setup without even having to compile first. Thanks for watching, and happy building. Visuino is fun. There are so many cool projects to discover and build, so have fun building them. See you in the next video.